Hi everyone, welcome to Appliance Advisors with Yale Appliance. I'm Francesco, joined by Dennis.
How you doing, Fred?
Very good, very good.
Great.
So today we're going to talk about another common question that we get is, who makes Thermador dishwashers?
Great question, get it all the time. The parent company is called BSH Corp, which what does that mean? It's a company based out of Munich, Germany.
Okay.
It's really comprised of three major brands that you know. Bosch, Thermador, and Gaggenau. There is another brand called Neff, but we won't get into that. Bosch, Thermador, and Gaggenau actually make up BSH. And in this case, who makes them? It's really Bosch. Bosch is making the Thermador dishwasher. So the Thermador dishwasher, for all intents and purposes, a couple of small, feature differences, but Bosch is the brand behind it. So it's a great dishwasher. Having said all that, more often than not, they are made here. While it's a German company, they're made here right in the States. So in La Follette, Tennessee factory, and as well in New Bern, North Carolina is where they're made. So right here in the States, really. You think of it as a German company, but major US presidents in production and a lot of people here in plants. So that's where they're made, here in the States. Beyond that, I would say most people would buy a Thermador dishwasher only when it's part of their kitchen suite. So they do have some incentives as you buy more Thermador products. The dishwashers are discounted, or in some cases almost free or free.
Yeah, absolutely.
So there are some options there, and that's when you see a lot of people buying a Thermador. Other than that, if you just came in off the street, you'd probably buy a Bosch, save the money, and we've had some great podcasts on the best Bosches to buy, and that's probably where you'd head.
Awesome. So clearing up some of the mystery here in the appliance world. If you do want to get into maybe some of the more specific Thermador models and what those have to offer, leave those in the comments below. And if we get enough feedback there, we can certainly do an episode there as well. Again, any questions, comments from today's episode, if you could also like and subscribe, we always appreciate that. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.
Talk soon.